Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So you guys, this video is just a couple of DIYs that are lost files from 2018. This didn't get a chance to get published, and I haven't had a chance to even look at these DIYs, but I feel like they're failed DIYs of 2018. So go ahead and check them out and leave me a comment down below which one you would have preferred to see uploaded. I could probably do a better version of it. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Leave me a comment, subscribe, and a thumbs up. Love you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.